Dream Nation. So this video and more to come like it are in response to direct feedback I've heard from some of you at the local car meets. You were like, Daryl, we want to see more of what it's like to own that car, what it's like just everyday driving, the sights, the sounds, the reactions. And so that's what this video is all about. Once again, I appreciate the support. If you hadn't already subscribed, hit that red subscribe button, guys. Leave a comment below. There's a lot of buzz recently with the new C8 mid-engine Corvette coming out, and rightfully so, guys. Beautiful car. But where does it stack up, honestly? Be honest. If you had $150,000 to spend, would it be the C8? Would it be the new Shelby GT500? Would it be the Audi R8? Would it be the NSX? Would it be the Challenger, Hellcat? Just be honest. What would you choose and why?